Okay guys, so today we're going to make some soursop tea. But this time around we're not going to dry our leaves. We're just going to pick it fresh and make the tea right away. So let's head down to my soursop tree so we can pick the leaves in order to make our tea. So guys, I'm going to look for more of the mature leaves to pick in order to make our tea with it. Okay guys, so I have 4 cups of water in this pot here, and as you can see I have brought it up to a boil, and now I'm going to add in 8 soursop leaves. So to 4 cups of water we use 8 soursop leaves. So I'm just going to add it in, and then we're going to turn the fire down to low, and we're going to leave it to simmer for 15 minutes. At the end of the 15 minutes, we're going to remove the soursop leaves, and then our soursop tea would be completed. Of course, at that point, you can sweeten to your desire. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this and turn it down to low. Okay, so our 15 minutes is up. So our soursop tea is now completed. So I just turned off the stove, and all is left for me to do is just remove the leaves. And then we sweeten as per taste. So we're now going to put our soursop tea in our teacup, and you can use sugar to sweeten it if you desire, but I'm going to use honey instead in order to sweeten my soursop tea. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.